Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video I'm going to talk about ticker symbol BBIG, which is for Vinco Ventures, and you know this stock was up 2.1% today, and even after hours it is 1.4% up, almost 4% up on that day. And I want to talk about it because the option chain, when I look, this is very promising. Lots of option waiting for 3 strike price, 3.5, 5 strike price, and they are all expiring this coming Friday, which is after 3 days. So very exciting. I'm going to talk about it, and hopefully you will like this particular video. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So first of all, BBI had a nice day. It dipped in the morning, then from the low to the high is almost like 10% move, and very nice day. And BBIG was on our morning alert system when we talked about it. BBIG was part of our dated plan, and we also had some other tickers. And by the way, we did really good. We picked VERU, the VERU, then SST, ATER. You can see that 150% from this particular one, from our entry to the maximum high of day. 32%, 21%, 18%, 14%. Today was an excellent day. Like everything we touched move. Like VERU, like we touched 5.8. It went all the way to 13.14. SST, we talked about 21.8 based on our previous support. It came here after the market opened and bounced and moved 32%. So anyway, if you like this kind of early morning alert with entry, exit, and some note, then please join my community. The link will be in the first comment and also in the description box. Just pay $9 per month, get access to my Discord, and you can get those early alert in the morning, and also during the day you can chat with me. Anyway, let's talk about BBIG. So first of all, this is the chart, and if you know why I was so excited, I made another video on BBIG because I talked about BBIG. I'm gonna bring it back again because this is so exciting. So look at the chart. I want to show you again. So look at the chart here. So the weekly chart, whenever you see the MACD crossover here, it happened here. This stock moved from 2.7 all the way to $6. It happened, it moved $2 all the way to $10-12. Again, it was coming down, and now finally you can see that on a weekly chart we are having some green. So the blue line is going over, so the selling pressure has decreased and more buyers are coming. So I don't know, like if any kind of news or any cryptide dividend, those news comes, this thing can move a lot. We know it had moved previously, so we know it has the power to move parabolic when things goes in the right direction. Okay, so that's the most important thing. That is why I love this particular stock. And also, if you're part of my community, whenever BBIG goes to 2.2, 2.3, we load, because if you look at the daily chart, whenever it comes to 2.2, we load, it goes up. So currently it is coming down, but still it is holding some key important area. We will talk about this more soon, but before that, let's look at few other things. So in terms of the option volume, which will expire only after 3 days, 14th of April, look at the call option for 3 strike price, 33,000 here, 28,000, then 42,000, 26,000, and 70,000 call option at 5 strike price. Yes, I know they are not very expensive because they are going to expire soon, but still they are open. People are betting big things on this particular one. If you want, you can play this. Just buy a call option for 3 strike. You spend $12. If it doesn't work, you will lose only $12 maximum, but if it works, you can make a lot of money. If you think this is risky, definitely once you have only 3 days, this is risky. You can also choose a weekly call option, or you can go to the next monthly option expiry date, which is May 20th. You can just buy the same thing. You have to pay more, but still, if BBIG is going higher, you will make money. But looking at the option chain activity, look May and look April. Everything is betting something really big. And why? Because if you go to Vinco Ventures, like on 31st March, they had a filing, and that filing was mostly because they are supposed to release their earnings. Look here. Vinco Ventures is unable, without unreasonable effort or expense, to file the annual report on Form 10K for the year ended December 31st, 2021 by March 31st. So they were not able to do it, right? So that is why they are going for the next thing, which is, let me show you, which will be filed on or before the 15th calendar day. So from March 31st, 15 calendar day, let's say this is mid-April, so this is by this week. Okay, so that is why all the call option activity is concentrated for this week. Okay, and people are expecting maybe during the earning call or earning something they will come up with a tied news or date or something, right? So that is why all the expectation is waiting. Other than that, I don't see any news there that on that particular day they will have the earning. Nothing confirmed, but if you add 15 days which March 31st, then you get April 15th, so keep that in mind. In terms of the volume, you can always see whenever big volume comes, BBIG moves. Right now we are waiting for big volume to come, right? Other than that, it might not spike that much. Yes, if there is any news on type, definitely there will be more volume and this thing will go higher. In terms of the short interest, 16% as per Fintel of exchange short interest is 49%, which is very, very high. Only 0.5 million shares are available to short, which is also good. 38% cost to borrow fee rate, which is also good in terms of a short squeeze. It needs volume, it needs some news. Other than that, you might not see a big squeeze. Yes, we love to see these things going to the moon, but if you talk about the moon, you need something, right? You need a rocket, you need a fuel so that it can go to the moon, right? And to me, fuel is the volume. Okay, so how BBIG is moving, you can see it was on a downtrend, and if I just connect the lines here, you can say, okay, that was a downtrend. It was making lower high, and now it broke the downtrend, so that is one thing. But more importantly, look what is happening here on a 1 hour chart. It is holding this 2.8 area as a support. It is building 2.8 as a support, and hopefully when the market will get more volume, if SPY gets nicer, this thing is ready for a next leg up all the way to $3, then maybe 3.1, 3.5, and so on. So I'm very, very pumped. I'm just waiting. So personally, what I did, like I established some position at 2.9, even now at 2.6. I bought something. If it goes to 2.4 or even 2.2, I will add, because I think this thing has something which can give me a lot of profit. But anyway, I'm also doing day trading on this particular one, just get in, get out, 10% move, this kind of thing. But look what happened today. 2.8 was a resistance here. What was the resistance here? Friday it was a resistance, but today that resistance has become the new support. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5 times. So 2.8 seems like a strong support. If you want, you can get in at 2.8 with a stop loss, or you can just wait for this if it comes to 2.65 or 2.6 area. But very, very nice price action. I'm just waiting for this to pop. And so many call option activity this particular week. Something is happening. This is what I believe. But anyway, I do not want to give you a hype or anything. I just want to show you the information. If you're playing with option, just make some money, get in, get out. If you're playing with share, definitely need to have a plan. If you're doing day trading, have a stop loss. Also, if you're part of my community, then do not worry. Each morning you see, like around 6 o'clock, 7, I make a new chart for all the ticker symbol. Then I make a channel about the price action all the way, like I just update it, right? So you will always see like what is the entry, exit, those kind of thing. And the result are not telling you the lie. Like you can see the big movers, we are making money consistently almost every day. So anyway, give a try. Hopefully it will make a lot of money with us. So anyway, thanks for watching this particular video. Subscribe my channel and join my community, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.